Hello, please. For my new subscribers, welcome. And for my subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in again. I'm Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. How was your Father's Day celebration? Today here in Hong Kong is Monday, and yesterday we don't celebrate it because my husband had work and as well as me and my children. So we will celebrate it tomorrow, Tuesday. What we plan tomorrow is going to have maybe lunch or dinner out and watch and go to cinema and watch the Bad Boys. Yeah, Bad Boys. Because my husband love action movies. So without further ado, let's do this. So for today's video, I'm going to do my butterflies binder. This is my spring and summer saving challenges. All you can see is about butterflies, maybe some flowers. And before that, my binder is supposed to be this one. This is also from Mom She Queen. Hi Mel. But she gave me another one. And this one, I already have a pic in here and I want to show you. So she gave it to me because she knows that I'm doing a butterfly saving challenge. And I'm so excited. You know what is it? Dun, 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 dun. It's a butterfly binders. Oh, Mel, thank you so much. So it will coordinate with my saving challenges. Thank you so much. You really made me happy. So I'll open it for you. And let's see if the A5 envelope will be fit to here. So yeah, it's a cloth one. And it seems like it's embroidered. It's really nice and soft. I think it will be adjustable later. So let's put this. Let's put the money aside first. Sorry if it will take too long. Come on. So excited to do this. I've already arranged it, but Mel gave me this binder and I hope it fits. Yeah. Mom Shimel, you really made me so happy. Oh, thank you for doing this. I don't know how I will thank you. So if you're new to my channel and friends, please help my cousin. Actually, she's my cousin. I'm living here in Hong Kong. And she's also new to budgeting community. So please go to her channel. I will put her link on the description box and on the screen. So I have, it's not that, I think it's not that big, but it will okay. It will be okay. So let's start. So what I have here is 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, hold on. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40. And these coins, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 150. Oh, don't mind my bruise because I got it from work. I bang myself and I'm easily get bruised because I have anemia. So let's start. What I got here is, this is my saving challenges that it's a freebie from my scavenger collaboration hunt video. So if you want to have this is actually it's a watermelon juice. You can roll and save. And this is still, if you want to roll or save or designate the amount that you want, it's up to you. So this comes in three. So if you want to grab this, I will put the link in the description box. So this is my one. Two is also my saving challenge that I one of my subscribers won on my hashtag for my summer scavenger hunt collaboration secret word. So this one is also roll and save, and this one is from Saving with Alicia that she sent me through my email. And if you watch my previous video regarding my happy mail, this is one of them. It comes with four seasons: summer, spring, winter, and fall or autumn. So, and this one I purchased it to Madeline in her Etsy shop. This is a scratch off, and also saving challenges from Alicia. It comes with the other one, and this one is from Buttery Florific. It comes from the budgeting butterfly. So I get it through my email as well. So thank you so much, Vay of budgeting butterfly. So let's start. I can fold it. Yay! And this is my six dice, six-sided dice. Okay, let's start. One, two. Wow. Two, six. Six is for Bay. Let's scratch this and we see how much going to we're going to do. So let's me select this one first. So it's two. This is a long one. It's an A4 paper. And my scratcher, my scratcher sticker is big, so I don't have a smaller one yet. I just laminate this one and put the scratcher sticker here, scratch off sticker here. And let's say two here. Two. Yeah. And let's get my vacuum. Yay! Thank you. It's my first time to use this one. This given by Momshi Queen as well. So let's continue. It's four. It's one. Hold on. One, two, three. Oh, it's a scratcher also from Madeline. So let's scratch this one first. Oh, five. So it's five. This is a freebie from Madeline when I purchased this saving challenge. This is a bonus one. So let's go with the bonus one first. Oh, what happened? No bat? Okay. So five. I have five here. This is five. I don't normally use coins, but I think I need it this time. So five, five. One, two, three, four, five. It's a spring one. So just put 10. 4 again. So this body line. Let's scratch this one out. This is $100 savings challenge. Let's scratch this out. How much? Let's see. Let's do this. What is more easy? 4. 4. I don't have 4, so that's what I have here. These coins. Let's change again. $10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh, it's too much. How much? $4. Let's roll the dice. 6. So scratch off again. So let's do here. So $8. And clean it up, babe. Ah, maybe the battery is not working. Oh, here, so $8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, no more coins. So there's a 2 there. I just get the $2. Roll the dice. 6 again. So scratch again. I just choose whatever I want. Feel. Oh, only $1. $1, $1, $1. Then yeah, I think the battery is it's battery problem. So $1 and next 4. It's Madeline. Why? Why like this? How about the others? Is it Madeline? 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4. Actually, it's my first time to have a scratch off saving challenge. So let's see. Oh, it's $11. Let's just $11. So $11. Next, 2. Yeah, just 1, 2. Let's put 10 here. Next, 3. Oh, this from Alicia. Let's put 10 also. One. It's from my challenge. Let's put 10 as well. So if this is 5 each, so it means I already, where's my pen? There. 20 is, this is 5 each icon. So it means I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish. Okay. Next one. 1 again. So another 10. 1, 2. 2. That is also my challenge. So I put 10 to 10 here also. So this challenge is also for $5. I put 5 here. 5, 5. How much now? 30. So it means 6. Yay! It's nearly done. Next one. 2. Oh, same. So let's put $5 this time. This is my channel, so I'll do whatever I want. My channel, my rule. 3. Summer challenge. Let's put 10 for Alicia. Yes. How much now? 20. The next one. 4. 3, 4. Madeline. Madeline. Let's see. Let's do the first one. 6. 6. So let's grab 14 and put 20 here. Next. Another 4. Wow. Let's do the other corner. So 5. It's really nice, isn't it? Oh, I love butterflies. I really love butterflies. It's not like it's just summer that I like it. No. I really love butterflies, even before. If you know this channel, if you watch my channel last year, you will see that I have a butterfly cross stitch. Let's hang on, I will show you. So I know it's not part of this 7 challenges, but I just want to show you this one. I showed it last year, but you see, it's a diamond painting that I did last pandemic. Yeah, this helped me for my anxiety that time. So, all right, let's continue. So did I put 5? No, not yet, right? So 10. I just get 5 change, $5 change. 5. Next, 1. 1 is my saving challenge. Let's put 5 here. 5. Maybe last one. Let's see. 3, 1, 2, 3. So let's get $5. Oh, I don't have change. So what to do? Let's change this into $1. So $5. I'm struggling with my schedule of filming and editing and because of my full-time job now. So let's see if what I will do next. Oh, there's a $1 there. Oh my god. What happened? Why there's a $1? Oh, maybe the scratch. When I scratch off there. Yeah. So still have $4. Maybe last one. 3. 1, 2, 3. So we don't have enough for this one. So what we have is, let's get this one into this. So $5. Yay. 20, so 30. I finished $30 here. I'm messing up now because I have work at after an hour, so I need to prepare, and that's why it's a rush. So I will not recount this one, and I will finish this challenge, and I have to be ready for work. If you happen to finish this challenge, just comment butterfly, the emoji butterfly, and I will appreciate you for finishing this video. I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for your support and inspiration. That's it for now. Thank you so much, and see you later, lovelies. Bye. Be humble and grateful always. Bye.